Hello everyone, it is time for another month in rewind. So first I want to rewind the polishes I wore for my On Wednesday We Wear Pinks videos. So the first On Wednesday We Wear Pink mani was this beautiful pink shimmer. This one is from Pure Ice and it's called From Day to Night. The mani that I did using this polish was just a very simple one, but it turned out really cute and I enjoyed this polish a lot. I am extremely impressed with these Pure Ice polishes. I did pick up their Halloween collection that they had over the fall time, and I am so happy with all of those colors. So then I just happened to pick up a few other new shades and some of their core line polishes, and I was just really impressed with every single one that I got. So this is the polish that I used for the first week of On Wednesdays We Wear Pinks. And the next polish that I used was this one here by Essie, and this is called Splash of Grenadine. The mani that I did with this, I loved so much, but I had to take it off to do a mani for the mystery mani. Oh, but I love this one. I absolutely love this one. The mani that I did with this polish is my favorite mani from the entire month. So for the next one, I use this polish here by Salon Perfect. It's called Burst Your Bubblegum. This is a beautiful, bright neon pink. This is from their Neon Pop collection, and this is like total summer. Screams summer for me. The mani that I did with this, I was kind of feeling summer vibes, so I did a gradient, and then I added a cute little palm tree and on its little island. A very cute mani. This was super fun. Okay, and the last On Wednesdays We Wear Pink was Zoya's Dot, and this one I was starting to not feel the best, so I just kind of did an easy mani. I just used this as my base coat and then used a piece of a plastic like Walmart bag, or I believe it was Dollar General bag, but I just used that to kind of smoosh white polish on over the top. And I had a subscriber say that it reminded them of fluffy clouds, which that was absolutely perfect. That's exactly what it looked like. And then on to mystery manis for this month. This month, the first mystery mani that I did, picked out Morgan Taylor's P.S. I Love You and Essie's Angora Cardi. These two are such perfect colors together. I did, for the mani with these colors here, I did a smoosh mani. I am so enjoying that smoosh mani. This manicure using these two colors was just perfect. Turned out gorgeous. Okay, and for the next mystery mani, I used Kokie's Atlantis at Last and Essie's Go Ginza. This, again, was another perfect mani. These colors just reminded me of ocean, water, beautiful stuff. So the mani that I did with those two colors was kind of a ocean themed, even incorporated a Little Mermaid. Very cute mani. I enjoyed that one a lot. Okay, the next mani I did was using LA Colors Happiness and Avon's City Navy. This City Navy polish is so pretty. I had no idea that there is some silver shimmer in there. It makes it look so pretty. And the mani that I did using these two colors, I used a matte top coat with it, and I just I did two manis with it. Pretty much the same thing, but I just kind of altered which part of the nail I made matte. But this one was a really fun mani, and I really enjoyed this one. And my final mystery mani for this month was using OPI's Correctamundo and Painted Polish, Sideshows, and Snow Cones. The mani that I did with these, I struggled because I did not want to cover up anything on either one of these polishes, because this one here, this OPI right here, is so pretty. It dries matte, but I prefer it more in the glossy form. It just looks very elegant. It's just really pretty. I don't quite so much care for it when it's in the matte state, but I really did enjoy it when I put on a glossy top coat. And Sideshows and Snow Cones, this is just a beautiful polish. And with this having little blue glitters in it, it just matched perfect with this. They just went together so well. So this mani I enjoyed too. It was a bit of a struggle, but I did think of something that would kind of help to simplify it and still show off each one of these polishes. So another rewind that I want to talk about is this right here. This is, I don't even know why I like this so much. It's just so pretty. It just makes every mani look so beautiful. I think I used it in 3 or 4 manis this month. I just could not stop using it. It looks so pretty. It's Wet and Wild, and it's White and Stormy. And I think I've used it more this month than I have the entire time I owned it. Very, very pretty. Love this one. Another thing I wanted to rewind was that I hit 100 subscribers this month. That is so exciting. The girls decided that they wanted to do a giveaway to give back to the subscribers, and I was for it. They made a cute little video, which I was so proud of them. They wouldn't let me see it until they were completely done with it. We just had so much fun with that giveaway, and I kind of have the thought that I want to do more giveaways just because it's so fun and it makes me happy. Okay, and again, I just wanted to talk about Topic Tuesday that was set up by Jody from Jody's Polish. This is just a way for nail polish lovers to just kind of get together and talk about all kinds of different nail polish topics. It's so fun, and I encourage everybody to either go and make a YouTube video or just post on Instagram using the hashtag Topic2s. It's so much fun. There are so many nice ladies on there, and I've met so many amazing women. One of the things that I decided for going into next month is I've been a subscriber to Ipsy and BoxyCharm, Glossybox, and all of those different beauty subscriptions. I really want to get into a nail polish subscription. I was doing Julep for quite a while. I was a Maven, and I like their polishes, but they're so expensive. I just want to find a subscription that I can get the polishes and not have to pay so much for them. I have seen other ladies do unboxings on like the Me Box, but that I believe is only available in the UK. I'm looking for a subscription box that I can get that is here in the United States that I would be able to get, and then I will just drop the Ipsy and BoxyCharm because I'd much rather be paying for polishes. I think I have all the makeup that I need, and I would much rather be getting polishes at this point. So if any of you know of a polish subscription box, please leave it down below. I would love to go check it out. I'm really wanting to stop Ipsy and BoxyCharm, but I do get polishes through Ipsy, so if I can't find a polish subscription box to kind of replace that, I think I still want to keep getting that, but I would much rather spend my money on polishes than makeup. So that is it for this month in Rewind. I would like to thank you all for me reaching 100 subscribers. That was so exciting. Thanks for helping my channel to grow and for sharing it with friends and other people around you. I think that's awesome. Really appreciate it. I will leave a link to each mystery mani, and on Wednesday we wear pink mani. I'll leave a link for those in the description below. And if you want, you can go check those out just in case you happen to miss one for this last month. So that's it for this month in Rewind. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave any comments and suggestions below, and I'll see you in the next one.